In this video, we will be continuing our previous video of cube root tricks, and in the previous class we had learned how to find the cube root of any 5-digit number or any 6-digit number. And in this class we will learn how to find the cube root of any 7-digit numbers in 3 seconds. Okay. And for that we need to remember the cubes of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, which I think that you already must be knowing. And again, we have already told you that it is always better if you remember the following cubes, that is the cube of 10 which is 1000, cube of 11 which is 1331, cube of 12 which is equals to 1728, cube of 13 which is equals to 2197, cube of 15 which is equals to 3375, cube of 16. Now 16 cube is equals to 2 to the power 12, and we already know this is equals to 4096. So we must know what is the value of 16 cube, and that is 4096. Okay. Now 20 cube you must be remembering, okay, that is 8000 obviously, and the cube of 21 you should remember always, that is equals to 9261. Now we are left with the cube of the number 14. Okay. Now 14 cube can be written as 7 cube into 2 cube. So this is 7 cube is 343 and 2 cube is equals to 8. So when you multiply these two numbers, we get the number as 2744, and then now you have to remember this. Okay. Also 18 cube is equals to 9 cube into 2 cube, which is equals to 8. So this is 729 into 8, which can be done mentally very easily, and this is equals to 5832. Okay. So you can remember this also very easily, and now you have to make a little bit of effort so as to remember the cube of 17, which is equals to 4913, and the cube of the number 19, which is equals to 6859. But I promise you that if you remember all these cubes, then you will be able to find the cube root of any 7-digit number in 3 seconds. Okay. Now let us get started. Now the first question is cube root of the number 1092727. Now over here the first thing that we should notice is the unit place. So the unit place here is 7, and now we see that the unit place 7 occurs when the unit place of the number is equals to 3. So we will put a 3 over here, and obviously, and now we discard off the last 3 digits, that is 7 to 7, and are left with 1092. Now 1092 lies between the cube of 10 and the cube of 11. So picking the smaller number, that is 10, we get our answer, which is equals to 103. Now for the next question we have cube root of the number 1404928. Okay. Now again the first step will be analyzing the unit place. So the unit place 8 occurs when we have a 2 in the unit place of the number. So we write a 2 over here, and then discarding these 3 digits we get 1404, and then 1404 lies between the cube of 11 and the cube of 12. So picking the smaller number we get 11, and hence our answer will be 112. Now for the third question we have cube root of the number 2146689. Again go for the unit place first. So the unit place 9 implies that the unit place of the original number will be equals to 9. So we put a 9 over here, and we discard off these 3 digits. We are left with 2146, and 2146 lies between the cube of 12 and the cube of 13. So we will pick the smaller number, that is 12, and hence our answer will be 129. Okay. Now let us move on to the next 3 questions. Now again we have this question over here. Okay. And analyzing the unit place first. So the unit place 2 simply implies that the unit place of the cube root is equals to 8. So we will put 8 over here, and then discarding these 3 digits we are left with 2628, and 2628 now lies between the cube of 13 and the cube of 14. So picking the smaller number, that is the number 13, we get the answer as 138. Now for the next question, again go for the unit place directly. So the unit place is equals to 3 implies that the unit place of the cube root is equals to 7. Okay, so we will put a 7 over here. Discard the last 3 digits. We are left with 3176, and 3176 lies between the cube of 14 and the cube of 15. So we will pick the smaller number, that is 14, and hence our answer will be 147. For the next question, again we will repeat the same steps. Go for the unit place first, which is equals to 6. So the unit place equals to 6 implies that the unit place of the cube root is also equals to 6. We will put a 6 over here, discard these 3 last digits, and we get 3796, which lies between the cube of 15 and the cube of 16. So we will pick the smaller number, that is 15, and hence our answer will be 156. Now the next 3 questions, that is cube root of this number, again go for the unit place. So for the unit place, now you must remember that the unit place 5 occurs over here when the unit place of the cube root is equals to 5. Discard these 3 numbers, and now we are left with 4492, which lies between the cube of 16 and the cube of 17. So again picking the smaller numbers, that is 16, we get our answer, which is equals to 165. For the next question, the unit place equals to 4 implies that the unit place of the cube root will be equals to 4. Discarding these 3 digits, we are left with 5268. Now 5268 lies between the cube of 17 and the cube of 18. So the smaller number, that is 17, and we will put over here, and hence our answer will be 174. In this question, we have the unit place equals to 7. The unit place equals to 7 implies that the unit place of the cube root is equals to 3. So we will put a 3 over here. Okay, and are left with 6128 after discarding these 3 digits. Now 6128 lies between the cube of 18 and the cube of 19. So here we will select the smaller number of the two, that is 18, and hence our answer will be 183. Okay, and now let's move on. But before we move on to the next 3 questions, what you should do is pause the video after seeing the question and then give the question a try, and then resume the video when you want to check out the solution. Okay, now let's see. I hope you have given these questions a try. Now the unit place 1 occurs when the unit place of the number is equals to 1. Discard these 3 numbers. 6967 lies between the cube of 19 and the cube of 20, and hence we will put the smaller number, that is 19 over here. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. For the next question, we have the unit place equals to 3. So the unit place equals to 3 implies that the unit place of the cube root is equals to 7. So we put a 7 over here. Okay, discard these 3 numbers. Now 8869 lies between the cube of 20 and the cube of 21. So we will pick the smaller number over here, and hence we will get 207. And for the last question, we say that if the unit place equals to 1, which simply implies that the unit place of the cube root is equals to 1. Okay, and then discarding these 3 numbers, we get this number, that is 9393, and then this number lies between the cube of 21 and the cube of 22. So that means we put this smaller number over here, and hence our answer will be 211. I hope you have understood everything taught in this video. Thank you.